Good morning, it's the next day and I'm gonna keep on organizing today for like maybe just 3 hours because I need to edit a vlog as well. I think I might start with the pantry first. Especially this part of the pantry, I just put everything. I feel like if we get this area organized, we can fit a lot of stuff. And for example, things like these maybe. I'm not sure like exactly where I'm gonna put everything, but I have a lot of random things. I might use this or like these. I also might do this. As you can see, I don't have that much up here because honestly I'm a bit scared. It has like very big gaps where the steel wool is, but I could put some like maybe cleaning things in here instead of over here. In here I have like loads of different stuff like skincare, cleaning, waffle iron, and clothing iron. As you can see right now, I have a lot more space right here, but I would like to maybe remove my toothbrush. I might move that to the bathroom if I have space. I would also like to move these things.
Love this episode today. And I've been known to do this. Juana is the devil's lettuce. To go outside and touch grass. And I have,
like I said, I have these and I was wondering if I should put them maybe, I don't know where's the best spot, but maybe down here or in the bathroom. I like these because you can stack them, but also like they're away from the floor because like I've said, we have a lot of silverfish. Ew, so gross. Oh. After lunch and I did a little bit more thinking of where I should place everything, and I'm thinking maybe putting my jars and stuff right here. Unfortunately this big one can't fit one level down, but I think it's gonna turn out fine. It's about 3, so I'm stopping for today, but here is what I got done. The sun is on in this room right now, so it's kind of dark, but I'm just giving you a quick little look. I think this one will be kind of hard to see, but still haven't touched these.
You know what I mean? But I took it
Isn't that
today.
just like
It's the next day. I'm wearing my new PJs, and I think I'm just gonna quickly organize this. So what I'm planning to do is kind of switching what's in this with this, or like basically putting everything that I use a lot in this one and maybe putting this bag in here. I just got this delivered from Amazon, and this soap smells amazing. I also got this case because I'm getting a mag stand from Craft Geek. It's a tripod for your phone. Right now I have 2 tripods, but I think all of them are gonna be different from each other. dog. My sweet neighbor just came up and picked up all of the boxes. That's really sweet of him to do. I'm about to make pizza in like 4 minutes. I'm just taking a little break because we were running up and down the stairs with the boxes.